Hi gorgeous, how are you? So we have new makeup products by Essence and I placed an order. I bought a few of the products. These are for the fall winter collection and I can't wait to unbox it with you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week and of course I'm gonna test these products in a future video. Unboxing time, and this is exactly the same phrase that we get in the Catrice orders, and I bought all of the products from the European Essence website, actually from the German Essence website. You can also find all of the products on the Cosmetic for Less website. The very first product is so cute. It is the Bloom Baby Bloom Eye and Face Palette, and they have released actually two face palettes, also this one here. They are super adorable, and this one here is the Bloom Your Own Way, and in each palette we have 4 eyeshadows and 3 face products. I'm going to remove this. So we have a highlighter, a blush, and also a bronzer. And let's see the other one. It is in the shade Make It Bloom, and it is more corally, the packaging. Very pretty. Again, we have 4 eyeshadows, just a sec, because you don't see anything. The 4 eyeshadows and a highlighter, blush and bronzer again. Let's put them side by side. This is Bloom Your Own Way and Make It Bloom. The color story of this one is pinkier and this one is more bronzy golden. I really like eye and face palettes. I think it is a great way to save time doing your makeup, also save money. With just one palette you have everything. This is the Bloom Your Own Way. I really can't remember the names. So let's see a little bit the color story. As we can see, we don't have similar shades. Even this dark brown one is not exactly the same with the bronzer. I'm curious about the highlighter, and I also want this one here. Let's see what we have. Ooh, the highlighter is super beautiful. And what happened? This is such a creamy eyeshadow. I really like the color story of this one. Let's go to the Make It Bloom. As I can see, again, we don't have repeated shades. I'm super happy about that. And you know, let's swatch the shadows, this shimmery. I'm curious if they're gonna be creamy again. That's not bad. Maybe I didn't take a lot of product. Okay, just a sec. Oh, I need to blend it. These are also super soft and shiny. I like the color story of this as well. They both have this weird type of mirror. Even if you hold it like this, it's not so easy to apply your blush. Pretty pointless to have mirrors that are so thin and long. And the next, let's go to a blush that it was released first in the US. It went viral, and this is the Pure Nude Baked Blush. I got the shade 5 Pretty Peach, and I couldn't really get a lot of shades of this one because they were sold out. I'm super curious to swatch it. Oh, it is so soft. This is a light coral blush. I thought I had bought a deeper shade. So this is how it looks. Super summery. It is a refreshing color. It can give a youthful effect. I love corally blushes. The packaging is the same with the baked highlighters that they have. They have released one more face palette, and this is the Love That Glow and Bronze palette. Okay, nice name. The packaging is very similar with the bronzer palette that they have and the highlighter palette. It is exactly the same, yeah. And the mirror is very useful in this palette. In this one we have one highlighter, one bronzer, and this, what is this? I'm taking the highlighter, the, I don't know, shade, and the bronzer. Oh, it is a highlighter again. Ooh, that's pretty. So this is the highlighter, super soft. Then next, bronzy or highlighting shade, and the bronzer is also very soft. You can also use these shades on your eyes and you can create a beautiful golden brown eye look. I was very curious about this product here. It is the Hello Good Stuff Fresh Glow Peel Off Mask with blackberry extract and hyaluronic acid. It is made out of 90% natural ingredients, and I really want to try this and also sniff it. Oh my god, it smells like blueberries. It's so nice. A little bit chemical though, FYI. I'm very curious and I want to apply some. I love the color. This product doesn't contain any microplastic particles, mineral oils, parabens, silicones and PGs, and we have 50 milliliters. It looks like I can use it forever. It is still setting. Okay, I'm going to remove it. I don't think I can peel it off like this. Let's continue with a new foundation. So this one here is the I Love Flawless Skin Foundation. It can give a matte and full coverage, and I think it's very light for me. I got the shade 20 Medium Porcelain. Why is it so light? Okay, I want to swatch it and I'm hoping it's not very light. It's very light. I'm hoping that it can oxidize. Maybe I can save the color with a cream bronzer. I don't like buying foundations online because I never get the correct shade for me. I have tried to find this at the drugstore, but it was nowhere to be found. Essence has released these crayons and I really wanted to try all of them, so I got all of the shades. And we have here the Blend and Line eyeshadow stick, and we have 4 beautiful shades here. This golden one was sold out on a lot of websites. So the first one is the shade 1 Copper Feels. Yeah, Copper Feels. Very beautiful shade. This is the shade 2 Oh My Ruby. And I'm very curious to see how it looks. This is not as dark as I was anticipating, right? The packaging is so much darker. Following that we have the shade 3 Feeling Leafy. I thought it would say Feeling Lucky. Okay, and I'm swatching it right next to the other. This is very pretty. And actually it represents the packaging. And the next one is 4 Full of Beans. And let's see what we have here. This is a beautiful dark brown shade. And yes, it reminds the packaging. So I would say the only disappointing one is the ruby. And now it's time. Oh my god, they have already set. You need to be fast, my friend. The last one is actually very creamy and it is setting quite fast as well. I'm a little bit afraid of using this on my eyes because they are drying fast. Ooh, it's not easy to remove them. Oh boy. I was hoping for a similar formula with the Eye Jumbo pencils by NYX Cosmetics because those are super easy to use. They are also eyeshadow sticks. Of course, I need to use them on my eyes to actually see how they work. Essence has also released a few mascara products. This one here is the Lash Without Limits in brown, and the other one is, I'm guessing, in black. Yeah, ultra black. And these are extreme lengthening and volume mascaras. I'm taking the ultra black shade. And we have a conical shape. It reminds me a lot of the Lash Princess mascara, the blue and the green one. They have exactly the same applicator. It is very flexible. Essence has very nice spoolies for their mascaras, and also the stopper is always good. And let's see the brown shade. It is exactly the same. I bought this because I also got the new brown mascara by Catrice Cosmetics and I want to do a side-by-side comparison review. I never use brown mascaras or anything except a black mascara. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite color of mascara. Have you ever tried another color? A burgundy, green one, blue one. And the other mascara product is the Curl and Fixing Lash Base. Most likely this is a mascara primer. Ooh, it has a very nice thin applicator. I want to see if it actually works with other spoolies and also if it is drying very fast. Why is this black? And I think it has fibers. Okay, let's read the packaging. So it says for a fixed and long-lasting lash curl. Use after lash curler and add favorite mascara for extra volume and length. You know, I prefer a black primer. It is a lot easier to cover black lashes with a black mascara. Very interesting product. I thought it was a white mascara primer. Anyways, I'm very curious to try it with the new mascara, the black one, and see how eye-opening it can make my eyes. After testing this, I'm also gonna do a new Essence comparison mascara video. I bought one more face palette, but it is a different one. Oops, sorry. So this is the Conceal Like a Pro color correcting palette. I have tried again by Essence other color correcting palettes and they were not very pigmented, or they had the slippery formula that doesn't really stay in place, so I didn't like those products. I'm super curious to see if this can work. And in this palette we have a green, yellow, what is this? Red and lilac. I'm always surprised when I see a lilac color corrector in palettes. You can use this if your face looks pale, but you can always give warmth to your face with a bronzer. I don't get the purple color corrector products. Anyways, this palette is inspired by TikTok with this red shade. I thought it would be a corally shade because I bought this online. I'm hoping we have here a nice formula that can stay on the face and can work with other foundation products. They have released some tinted lip products. This one is the Tinted Kiss Hydrating Lip Tint, and I got the shade for Chili and Chill. So it looks like a burnt orange shade. I'm going to swatch it here. Ooh, it's so nice for a fall makeup look. I'm going to leave it here for a while because I'm curious if it can actually stain my skin. It has a very nice creamy formula so far. Another new lip product that they have is the Hydra Kiss Lip Oil, and I got the shade 1 Kiss from a Rose. The packaging is super cute. We have a big doe foot applicator. It reminds me the Maybelline glitter glosses. They have also released a lot of shades of this lip oil, I believe 3, but I decided to get one. It's a lip oil. It's gonna be clear at the end of the day. Maybe the big difference of the shades is the scent, so let's see. Oh my god, it smells so nice. It is actually a kiss from a rose. So it has a rose scent. It's not overpowering. It's so nice. It is like pillows and feathers. The color is completely clear, even though it looks a little bit pinkish, but it is a lip oil. Let's see if this one... Oh my god, it's stained. It looks very nice, and also it has a glossy finish. Maybe I can do a wear test just for this shade so we can see if it is smooth throughout the day. Yeah. After that, I got a very new product to me. It is the nail glue tabs, and these have strong adhesive and they are easy to remove. You can use them for artificial nails, and basically they are double-ended stickers that you can apply on your nail and use with plastic nails that I'm gonna show you now. Something like this one here. And Essence also has these pre-glued nails, but the size of the nail do not fit any of my nails. And recently I got these by Nail D. I also got one more set that you cannot see what it is because I opened it. We have a dusty pink mauvish nail. The thing with this type of pre-glued nails is that I need to use a glue, and I don't want to do that because I think it's gonna make my nails rough, my natural nails. So I decided to get these double-ended stickers by Essence to use with these bigger nails by Nail D. And it's very nice that Essence has released these because every manicure set that they sell, I'm going to have here pictures, comes with these stickers. But what happens if you use all of them? That means you cannot use anymore the nails, the plastic nails. So I'm really happy that I got this product. There are times that I want to have beautiful nails, but I just don't want to paint them. And the next two products came with my order, and they are the Stay and Play Gel Eyeliners. I got the shade 8 Stardust Love and also 6 Midnight Sky. So if you place your order on the German Essence website and it is over 30 euros, you can get 2 free products, and I chose these. So let's watch them. I'm not using a lot of eye pencils lately. Ooh, that's so pretty and very creamy. I really like it. And the next shade, I'm guessing it's gonna be, oops, no, the tip. We lost the tip. Yeah, I'm guessing this is a dark gray color. It is super gorgeous, very creamy as well. I really want to use this on my eyes, maybe for a smoky eye look as well. And because they're not setting, oh, it is set. I was gonna say you can use it on the eyelid, but yeah, it sets. Okay, these seem to be very long lasting. I'm very excited to try all of these new products, especially the mascara base, the lip tint, the face palette. And I have also tried the new Catrice makeup products. You can find the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!